In today's video, we're gonna go over exactly what I eat in a day while living inside of my Honda Element. First things first, we need to head over to Trader Joe's to do a little bit of shopping for some food. So here's our haul from Trader Joe's. We got ourselves an organic apple. We've got a couple of protein bars. We're gonna cook up some eggs. And I've got some English muffins with some peanut butter that I'm gonna add on top of it to make like a little snack in between breakfast and lunch. And we've got our eggs, of course, and bananas. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook up these eggs real quick, and those are super easy. You just boil them, it doesn't require much cleaning. So let's do that. So just like that, we have our eggs peeled. I'm gonna eat the rest of this avocado and these eggs. But that's my breakfast for today. I already ate those English muffins. I'm gonna eat these eggs and the rest of that avocado. So I usually have really big breakfasts because I like to work out throughout the day, and I also like to snack in between those workouts. So we're gonna eat this breakfast, we're gonna go for a little workout, and then we'll check back in at lunch. Not bad at all, friends. Delicious egg, great source of protein. It's 3:20 now, so I'm gonna have a little lunch. We've got that English muffin with some bananas and peanut butter. We're gonna eat that apple, and then we're gonna have ourselves some trail mix, and that'll hold us over until dinner time. So we'll check back at dinner. This is great. Well, it got super crazy late. I was teaching some yoga, and I didn't really get a chance to eat much after that moment. It is now 8:18 p.m. This is way later than I normally eat, but I'm pretty hungry. So we went ahead and ordered us some Chipotle. Oh my God, this burrito is so huge. I can't eat this whole thing right now. That's insane. So yeah, we got a gigantic burrito. And of course we got ourselves some guacamole to go with it. So that's dinner for tonight. And I think we'll close out this video tomorrow when there's better lighting. So let's enjoy this burrito. Look at this thing, it weighs like a ton. Let's enjoy half of this, and then we'll close it out tomorrow. So yesterday was a very accurate description of like how I eat on a typical day. In the mornings I have more time, so I can get myself a nice breakfast and cook it up, but then things get very busy in the middle of the day, and sometimes I don't have a lot of time to eat, and for dinner I usually go out and get something to eat. Besides gas, eating out is probably the most expensive part of van life, and it's kind of a toss-up because when you eat out, you save a bunch of time with cooking and cleanup, but then you spend a lot more money. So today I probably spent $20 with the groceries and the meal I got from Chipotle, but I know you can definitely cut down on the cost by cooking all of your meals out of your vehicle, but then of course that costs more time. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions about van life and what it's like, please leave them down below in the comments. And if you want to see me cook something a little bit more extravagant out of the Honda Element, check out this video here. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.